Jordan, we were just walking around and we just found this. Yeah. What the heck? Okay, just press 2, I guess. Dude, I don't know how we just got in here. We're at freaking Eigenmann Hall at IU. This is the tallest building on campus, and I don't know what this elevator goes to. But here, hang on. Here, let's take one more ride on this.
I saw some dudes sitting.
Ooh. Certificate. Why do I feel like this is an MEI? This looks like an MEI. Here, I think, what do we want to do? Do we want to go back up to 2? Okay. Ooh, okay, we'll go look at that.